One of my favorite things to do is to play the game. What's in the box? Let's find out. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, let's see what we have in here. I like the bubble wrap. Oh, look at this! Oh, so cool! Extra bonus! That is really neat. I got me a couple stickers. You know what I want to do? I want to put these on a PEZ dispenser. I am going to set these aside. Pluto, don't you dare be messing up my stickers. You either, Mr. Pooper. All right. Don't you hate it when people try to call you during your videos that you're making to educate everyone on PEZ? Yeah, me too. Regardless, 2 packs of candy. And when we look right here, oh wow, look at that. It's square kind of. But if you notice, there is space in between the wheels. So that means rolling wheels truck. Can we see which one it is? Oh no. But it is the Yugoslavian one, made with this bigger spine. This is a C truck, because this is in the shape of a C. And this is the Yugo version. I know they have an Austria version as well. Check out the back of the thing. Oh, look at that! We can color Peter PEZ. He's not creepy at all. No way. 89 cents is what this originally sold for. And I paid more than 89 cents for it to show you. It's the generic PEZ candy card where they would put their dispensers on there. I want this shirt. Nice collared shirt. It's got a P on it. You either know what that P means or you don't. That's what I like. P on my shirt. In the PEZ block lettering that people won't know about. You're ahead in the game. How come she doesn't have a P on her shirt? Or EZ? I don't know. Just questioning. Fun and games on back. Yep. Oh, what dispenser does he have in his hand? It doesn't matter. Because we would look at the stem before we even look at the head. Way to go, PEZ. Way to tell us. Look at the stem because it's more important than what the head is. Awesome. Way to go! I want one of these shirts more than anything now. Come on, people. I'm making a PEZ video. Ugh. Just hate being interrupted. You know, I could put my phone on silent. I agree with you. But why bother? It's a little more entertaining this way. Champion of PEZ. Grape candy. Look at the different writing on the candy. Lemon! Grape. We don't want you to know this is grape. But this is lemon! Cool dispenser. For ages 3 and up. Rolling wheels. Rolling, rolling, rolling. So until next time.